Michelle Vaughn here. I want to invite you to my free workshop, What to Do When Diets, Trainers, and Quick Fixes Don't Work Anymore, and you want to get out of the yo-yo dieting trap, feel confident and in control of your body. Let me ask you this. Do you wish you could finally get lasting results in your search for getting control of your body, weight, and confidence? Do you go from diet to diet expecting different results, but always end up gaining more weight back? Well, you're not alone. Most people that seek to lose weight and get in shape fail because diets don't work. And most fitness programs and trainers want you to become dependent on them because that's how they make their money. Think about it. What program or diet teaches you how to stop the old habits and replace them with new ones? You see, the food industry hires copious amounts of scientists to figure out how we will eat more food, not less. The diet industry is a billion-dollar industry and doesn't want you to lose weight permanently because they want repeat customers. And then we have the pharmaceutical industry who makes tons of money on the insulin once we become type 2 diabetic. Talk about a racket. Well, hence why we all go back to the beginning. It is called the yo-yo dieting, emotional eating, the fat storage trap, and the cortisol dump. It's not the diet or the workout. So we can stop the frustration, the self-consciousness, stress, depression, and weight gain. And I will show you how to get lasting results. Have you ever felt self-conscious about your body or how others perceive you? Do you always feel overweight and stressed out about it? Adding just one more thing on top of all the other stressors that we deal with at work, family, and life? What about feeling frustrated that you can't seem to crack that code and find a happy place in your body? I have lost count of all the diets I've gone on in my life, and when I would gain the weight back and more, my self-confidence and self-esteem would take a nosedive. I had no idea the standard solutions didn't work. I thought it was me. I thought I didn't do the diet correctly, and the depression would set in, bleeding into all the other areas of my life. Until I cracked the code and found the permanent solution. I will share these with you in this free workshop because I found a coach that held me accountable, taught me to change my habits permanently, encouraged me to keep going when I stumbled, and guided me to become the healthy, successful woman I am today. If this is you, and you spent countless amounts of money, time, and frustration on trying to get the body of your dreams and the life you deserve, then this workshop is for you. And best of all, it's free. So just click on the link below and sign up. There's only a limited amount of slots, so don't procrastinate. Sign up now before the workshop fills up. See you there.